Tired of getting these annoying burn marks on the profile of something you're routing? Here's a shop tip wood magazine that'll make those a thing of the past. Burn marks like these come from a variety of reasons. If you find that you're doing that, it may help to just simply raise your router bit just a bit. Because what you're doing then is taking a little bit more material off of there. That exposes some fresh cuts, and a lot of times that will eliminate it. Second thing is, it may be that your router speed is set too fast. So as you're moving, the bit is turning a lot in one spot, it's generating heat, and that's what's burning. So maybe slow down your router speed. Or speed up your pass. Move quicker, especially as you come around corners. That will help quite a bit as well. A dirty bit will also cause a little bit of burning because it can't get rid of its heat, so cleaning that bit will help. And lastly, a dull bit needs to be sharpened or replaced. Now, if those tips don't succeed, here's one last one that will show you how to use the bit itself to clean up that burn mark. So again, here's our burn mark. I'm going to suggest that you don't sand that. The sanding will only ruin that really delicate profile. But if you think about it, if I can scrape that edge, I can remove that burn mark, and the perfect scraper is the bit that actually has that profile on it, which is your router bit. So all I will do is drag this across the front and use it as a scraper. Now this bit's a little bit tiny, it makes it a little bit harder to hold, so I've got a drill bit extender here, which will give me a better grip on that handle. And now by just holding this way, I can run that past, and you'll notice it's taking that out real nicely. But let's just say your work on it is really slow, just not taking it out fast enough. All you need is a Q-tip and a little bit of water, and spread water on that burn mark. That will temporarily swell the wood, and once that water dries, that slight swelling will raise the burn mark, and it'll make taking it off with your scraper that much easier. This process works every time.